Hello guys, good morning. This is Rama and welcome to the GRNIT Hub. And today we'll discuss about like what are the different ways. Today we'll discuss about one of the most important question, okay, interview question in the programming way for the most of the freshers. So in any of the industry like software, so some cases, okay, if you want to know about your skill set at the basic level, they might ask like find the even or odd, and then so if they ask like you know, we hope like most of the people will go for that modular division. But in the real time, so if anyone ask the interview level, instead of saying at modular division, if you think to say in different way, then that will give a good impression to the educators. So and another thing is like mostly in a specific way they will ask like without using modular division. At that time you have to use these all methods. You have to use any of the below methods to get that even around. So we'll see about all of the things you see here. So this is a way how to find even a rod without is a model. So the most important question is this, and we have different ways. Like one is bitwise operator, and that is it will check if the least significant bit of the number is zero or not. And if it is LSB is zero, then we can consider as even. And here the AND operator it will work, right? Normal and zero ones only it will be there in the AND operator. So it will work based on that one. Hope you got it, guys. So I request all please watch, subscribe, please like, comment it, and subscribe my channel and to become a um, watch, and subscribe for my channel. And please comment your queries. It and please comment your lovely. And please converse with your lovely comments. Nice comments. Thank you, guys.